Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a little comparison on the Louis Vuitton Montsouris BB versus the PM. So as y'all know, I actually just purchased, maybe not just purchased, but I've had my Montsouris BB pretty much all summer. I've absolutely been in love with this bag. It's been my most used bag. And if you saw my wish list video, I mentioned that I was interested in getting the larger size at some point. So I saw this one at a really great price, and I have my unboxing video up. I'll have it linked below, as well as this one with any details, just in case y'all want like specifics instead of a comparison. But overall, I've loved this bag. The only thing is that sometimes if I want to carry a little bit more, I just can't with what I pack. I'll have to take something out, which I knew going into it. So it served its purpose. It's been really great. And then the ultimate reason why I'm considering it upgrading to the larger size is because I found one for a really great price. So I found this one for a great price, and then I found this one for a great price. So it makes me really happy. And I feel very lucky to get these like so below retail on Fashion File, because I purchased both of these on Fashion File. And so I'm able to sell this back and only spend, I think it was like $120 more for the larger one, which I think is just, you know, a great bargain. So for Louis Vuitton, right? And then I also get like a full leather bag. So I think that's something too that I want to discuss between the different options. So you have a canvas style, you have the Empreinte style. I think it's really based on, you know, what you prefer to wear. There's a cream color in this. You can also get the vachetta leather as well, but I do not ever want to purchase vachetta leather if I don't have to. Personally, I would rather get the black just because, one, it matches well with my style. Like, it matches a lot better. I wear like 90% of my closet's black, but two, I just don't like the upkeep. And so I loved this combo. I think it's absolutely like beautiful. I honestly really love this bag in general. Ultimately, I think I'm leaning more towards the Empreinte, just because even though you have that monogram, it's still a little bit more subtle. Also, this is an all leather bag versus like canvas leather. So just quality wise, I feel like this is worth the splurge typically. But yeah, that's a little bit between like Empreinte, canvas. Either way, you're still getting a really great bag. This is so durable. I will say a pro for canvas is that this stays up pretty well on its own. This kind of slouched before I put the organizer in it, but I think that's just because of the leather. But yeah, we have those two. Overall, when it comes to dimensions with the Montsouris BB, this one is about 6 inches in length, 7.8 inches in height, and 4 inches in depth. And then the PM is 13 inches in height, and then 10.8 inches in length, and 5.5 inches in width. So you get about a little over an inch in depth, a few more inches up top, and then in width. The PM also has this front pocket, which actually fits a phone. So I've seen in videos that it does fit a max. I was able to fit my Pro in here. And then you can also fit a wallet, which is nice. So if you need something quickly, you want to throw change in there, you have that option with this one. The PM also comes with a charm. Mine didn't come with it. I didn't want it. So when I saw one without it at a cheaper cost, I got this one. But what I love is that I can use this for something that I would actually want to put on here. If I want to put a keychain on here, or maybe my own charm, I can do that. I just didn't want the big like LV ornament looking thing, because to me it looks like an ornament, not gonna lie. But I can also put my key pouch on here if I want. So yeah, just so many different options. And then this one just came in from Fashion File, and I'm filming this, so I can actually take that off in a bit. But as for the straps, they are both adjustable. The biggest advantage of the BB is that you can wear it so many different ways. I only wore it as a backpack. I didn't plan on wearing it any other way, but you can wear it so many different ways. And with that, the straps are detachable. On the PM, they are not. So again, you can wear this crossbody by connecting it. You can wear it as like a bum bag I've seen. You can wear it, you know, across. Again, you can wear it as like a regular purse. Again, I got it to be a backpack, so I didn't wear it. Other than that, I'm boring. So for me, I didn't take advantage of that. I know a lot of people love the idea and the option of it. So if you're looking for more versatility and you don't mind packing like a little bit lighter, this is perfect for on the go. I'm not gonna lie, like it's been great, but I know having two of the same bag, I've done it before, you always gravitate more towards one, and I know I'd probably always lean to this one because since I have the option to put more in a bag, I would definitely lean that way. I've been there, done that. So as much as I love this one, I know it's time to depart. But yeah, and especially since I know this fits everything that I'm looking for. I think ultimately, if you're trying to decide between the two sizes, it's going to be what do you want to carry and what kind of style are you looking for, just like any other bag, right? So a few things to know. When it comes to what fits inside, there's a variety. So anything that I need to fit in a bag, I can fit in this one personally. So here's a look at what I have in here right now. So I have my water bottle, which isn't a like have to have, but it's a nice to have, especially since I live in Texas. My iPad mini, this also fits a full iPad. Your sunglasses, I have my PM agenda, I have my keys, my card holder, a pouch, AirPods, and there's still room to put more in here if I need to. So overall, I think this just fits like everything that I need. Again, if you're just looking for something on the go, something smaller, you don't need to carry that much, this is a great option. It's just when I wanted to carry, for example, like my Chanel accessory. So this has all of my like cosmetics, let's say a wallet, my sunglass case. A lot of times I would run out of room if I wanted to bring multiple things. So this is about everything I could really put in here and be able to close and take with. If I wanted to bring my iPad mini, I'd probably have to move something out. It was just always like, I was always having to take something out. It's ultimately like 3 large things is what you can fit in here, and no water bottle. But like, again, that wasn't like that to me, that wasn't nice to have. But if you like, you have kids or you personally just want something to, you know, be able to carry like something larger or a water bottle, I would lean towards this one. But with this one, I just felt like it was, I don't know, it got to the point where I stopped wanting to take everything out just because of the like dimensions of the bag, which is why I started looking for this one a little bit sooner than expected. Also, the moment that I found this one, I was on the fence and debating what to do because I do, again, really love this one, but I never had anything fall out the 3-4 months that I've had this one until the day after I found this one, which of course I think, like, to me, I took that as a sign. But my card holder, actually my Chanel card holder, so this thick thing actually fell out because I think I had these and then my keys in here. And I closed it, but I didn't close it properly. And when you wear this one, it can hang off. And so somehow it fell out of my bag. I've had my keys fall out before, like when I like didn't close this properly, which would happen with any bag, so I never thought much of it. But this somehow ended up falling out of my bag, and luckily I dropped it at like in our walkway, so when I got home it was like right there waiting for me, which thankfully, but I don't know, I took that as a sign that I know a lot of people said if you overpack it, like that's like bound to happen. I didn't overpack at that time. So something just to note. Of course, this one has the same closing mechanism, but from what I see, I think because this is so small, it's easier for things to fall out as opposed to this one where there's a lot more room. Like this is all very secure, like down here, as opposed to here where it takes up most of the size. So something just to call out, and something that did happen because I did get asked about that, and I have seen people complain about that as well in different videos. But overall, I do think they're both great bags. Again, I really love them. I'm really excited to have the PM. I personally just want a little bit more room, don't want to have to sacrifice on what I bring. I want to be able to just throw everything in a bag and call it good. And it's still, again, small enough to where I feel like I can use it for every day. I will miss this one, but it's just personally not going to be the best for what I need. And so I'm going to depart with her. But yeah, that's a little comparison and an overview. I hope this helped. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.